Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nidhi Rawat, admin of this page, and I am here to give my review about the book, which has gained massive popularity soon after its publication. So, you must have guessed which book I am talking about. Yes, it is the Clinical Comparative Materia Medica Across the Systems of Medicine by Dr. Rohit Deshpande. Talking about the author, Dr. Rohit Deshpande is a well-known homeopath who excels in diagnosing perfectly and giving correct medications. He has told me to give my honest review, so I want to tell you that my first reaction after getting the book in my hands was wow. Because of its texture and quality, I mean, who would not love the hardbound cover and quality pages of this book? As medicos or doctors, we tend to mark and draw the whole book repeatedly. And if you are reading this book, you can mark it as many times as you want because the quality of the pages is really good. So, the theme of the book is comparing the medicines which are commonly used across 8 major systems of medicines, which are traditional folk medicine, Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, traditional Greek and Roman medicine, Islamic Unani medicine, African traditional medicine, homeopathy, and allopathy. That is total 8 major systems of medicines. Honestly speaking, I am in love with the first section of this book, in which the author discussed about the basics of these medicinal systems one by one. The unique philosophical thought behind these systems are described so well. The description is so deep and exceptionally outstanding. The author really deserves appreciation for putting so much effort. As homeopaths, no matter what we say, we have a natural tend toward digging things deeper. Yes, that's why the different schools of philosophies are so popular. So, what I'm trying to say here is that if your research mode is on, which probably gets on during later PHMS years, when we as students of homeopathy try to search for answers, try to connect the dots between homeopathy and other sciences, then you are going to love this book, and it's definitely worth having. The author's mind is a perfect blend of explaining things scientifically and at the same time connecting things to the basics. Now, talking about the second section, it contains 333 medicines that are commonly used in 8 major systems of medicines described earlier. According to me, the theme of second part is derived from aphorism 3, that is to know what is curative in medicines. What I like is the section telling about the active principles of the medicines, the alkaloids. As our master Hahnemann has discovered homeopathy from a clue that the active principle quinine extracted from cinchona bark can cure malaria because it has bitter taste. From this example, we can understand the importance of knowing these details. Further, it is the mind of reader which can use details to find something extraordinary. Coming back to the book, a short description of remedy is given for each remedy in introduction section containing the common name, family, areas where the particular drug is found, and the active principles. Then, as the name of the book goes, the given medicine is compared clinically under different medicinal systems, which tells you the names of clinical conditions which can be treated by the particular drug. So, this is what, according to me, this book is all about. It is not a regular materia medica containing the symptomatology, but a unique materia medica which introduces you to our medicines from a completely different horizon. Lastly, I want to thank Dr. Rohit sir for doing such extensive research, and also it's a matter of proud for us that the author is a homeopath. I would recommend everyone to add this unique book in your book collection. The Clinical Comparative Materia Medica is available on Amazon and also worldwide in Kindle version. So, you can get your copies whenever you want. Thank you.